Hello guys, you're welcome once again on this platform, and in this video I'll be teaching you guys how to fix app can't install on your phone. So if you find it difficult to install a certain app on Play Store, let's say when you go to Play Store, and why is Play Store? So when you go to Play Store and you want to download a certain app like this, and when you tap on the install and it's not installing on your phone, this is what you have to do. This is a very simple step, or this is a very simple trick that you have to do. What you have to do is to first of all go to your phone menu and search for Google Chrome. So when you see Google Chrome, this is Google Chrome. Let me show you Google Chrome. So this is Google Chrome. This is it. So if you see it, just tap on it, and when you tap on it, it's going to bring you over here. So this, when it brings you here, what you have to do is to tap over here. Then after that, what you have to do is to tap on, let's say you want to download this app, InShot. So I'm just setting an example. So if you want to download it and you've tried on Play Store and it's not downloading on your device, then this is what you have to do. Just type in InShot, APK, no watermark. So let's say if you want to download this InShot, the InShot Pro APK. So that's the first website. So let's tap on it, and after that you're going to see that InShot Pro, and you're going to see more information about it. You said you read over here to see whether this is the InShot app you want to download or not. So we want this. So if you want this, just scroll. So if you want to download it, just tap on download InShot Pro. So when you tap on it, it's going to load, and you're going to be around this place. So it says link will appear soon. So let's wait for the seconds to end. So as you can see over here, let's wait for this to end. Okay, so when it ends, what you have to do is to tap on this button over here. So just tap on this. So let's tap on it, download file. So when you tap on it, you are going to be around this place. So what you have to do next is to tap on the download symbol over here. So your download is started. So you are going to see a certain pop-up over here like this. So then this is what you have to do next. Just tap on this OK button over here to start downloading, and when it's downloading, you're going to see downloading file details. Then you tap on the details, and you're going to see how it's downloading. So this is the app. So you have to wait for it to download. So guys, let's wait for it to finish downloading. So guys, as you can see, it has finished with the downloading, and you are going to see this file after it has been downloaded. It's not only InShot, you can download any other app that you feel like downloading, but I'm using InShot as an example to you guys. So let's tap on it when you see the file. Tap on the file, just tap on install to install it on your device. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends on other platforms. Bye.